So today I'm coming back with another different video. It's going to be a little unboxing of this parcel right here, which is super exciting. I hope you enjoyed the last video. Back to a bit of makeup again. Like I said, I'm going to be doing a bit of a mixture, so mainly makeup, but dropping a couple of different videos like this one in every now and then. So let's get straight in. This parcel right here arrived this morning. I know what it is, but obviously if you've checked the title you're going to know what it is too, but I just thought an unboxing would be really cool. Show you what comes with it. I'm just going to get straight in and just pull the paper off. So excited. Oh. So this is the box that it comes in. It says stories not included, so I guess that's to do with the stories that you video. Obviously, as you can see, it's Canon. I got the sort of, I think it's called a content creator kit. So it comes with a bit of extras. It's not just the camera on its own, but here is the model. So it's the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. I did watch a lot of videos sort of comparing, because I know there's a Mark III now as well. And obviously in some instances, the newer one's always better. But I did see a lot of sort of comparison videos, and a lot of people were saying there were some more sort of problems and just things going wrong with the Mark III, so I thought it was just safer to go for the Mark II. And yeah, lots of YouTubers and stuff that I already watch, I know use this, so it is something I've thought about for a long time. Ever since I started watching and thinking about making my own YouTube, to be quite honest with you. I knew a lot about this anyway, so it's just amazing that I've managed to get it. So yeah, let's open the bottle. Oh. So it comes with a guide to vlogging. That's really cool. So yeah, you can see on the front here, you've got the Mark II, which is this one, Mark III, and then I did look into this one a bit, but it's more like a DSLR, and I've already got one of those. My DSLR just doesn't video, so I didn't really see the point in getting another one just for the video purposes. I thought if I get the nice smaller one, it's more handheld, it is easier if I want to sort of go out and about and do any sort of vloggy type stuff, which I think I will do eventually. And then yeah, I can use my DSLR for like photos and stuff like that. So this is just cool tips and stuff, which is cool. So like I said about it being a content creator kit, it comes with one of these, which is just a little tripod. It's one of the Gorilla ones, so you can like wrap it around stuff. So again, that's why it's good for vlogging. Like you can see in the photos, so you can like bend the legs and stuff like that to put it in all these cool funky positions, which is cool. I have already got a phone version of this, but this one looks slightly taller, and obviously it will have the camera adapter bit on it too. So this is definitely going to come in handy. Oh, this is so exciting. And then it comes in its own little box, like this one. Here's the camera. It's so beautiful. Probably see the reflection of my phone. Yes, love it. So the thing I especially love about this camera, obviously if you already know about this camera, you'd know what it does, but it has the screen. Oh gosh, don't worry. It has the screen that flips up. This is so cool. Thumbnail. Yes, I love this, so that I don't have to try and balance a mirror behind my phone now, so I can see what I'm doing. So obviously it's perfect for vlogging because you can see yourself. I'm going to use it for main channel videos too, just because I can pop it up, and again I can still see myself, so I don't need the mirror behind me, which will be brilliant. And there is another feature as well that I think you can, yeah, so if you wanted to take like low down photos, you can like do this with it, turn it all funky ways, so you could put like the camera facing down and still be able to see without having to like lie on the floor and stuff like that. It's so cool. Oh, how exciting. So in the box it comes with a 32 gig one of these, like these. So just a nice little memory card. I will probably be stocking up on these because I don't know how much video footage this is going to hold, but hopefully a fair amount to start off with. And then it comes with the, I assume this is a charging cable, and then it comes with a little wrist strap, which is really helpful. I will definitely be putting that on in a minute. Little battery, so I need to pop the battery pack in a sec. And this is the little charger. So yeah, that cable goes in to the end here. So this is the same as my other camera. And then you just stick the batteries in here and charge them up, which is really cool. I love that they're rechargeable batteries because it means you don't have to go through loads and loads of batteries. And then obviously it comes with all the manuals and guides and stuff. So I will definitely be sitting and having a little look through those in a little while. So to get the battery in, it's again the same as my other camera. So I've got a little bit of an advantage here because I know this already from my other Canon camera. So you just pop this bit and then it goes in here. So I'm just going to pop that in, make sure it goes in the right way. Oh. There's little arrows on it, so you should be able to tell which way it's supposed to go. She says. Ah. And then just shut the lock again. So just pull the little tab over and let's turn it on. So the on and off button is at the top here. I'm just going to press that one. Ooh. And the lens zooms out. And then, because I've just turned it on, it asks you to do the date and time and stuff, so I will do that now. I think it's touchscreen as well. I'm going to try that. Oh, it is! I've set the date and time and stuff, so I'm just going to flip the screen up. Obviously you're going to see like all this, but just to show you that you can see it. So obviously you can see my phone. That's so cool. And if I turn it to myself, the quality is so much better. Oh my gosh. What I might do is just film a little bit with this afterwards and just insert it into the video so you can see the difference next to each other. That's actually insane. So exciting. Cool. So obviously it's like the battery's dying. This is so cool. Battery's like dead, so obviously I need to pop it on charge. And then I'll have a little play with the features and stuff. And like I said, I'll film a little bit on here so that you can see the difference, sort of, so I can compare for myself. There's another thing as well that I've downloaded onto my phone, which I heard that you're supposed to do. I'm sure it'll probably tell me in the books and stuff. But there's an app called, I think it's called Canon Connect. So I do all my editing on my phone at the minute because I don't have a laptop. So it means basically that because these connect to Wi-Fi, so it says on the side there, these cameras connect to Wi-Fi, so you can just send it across to your phone. So anything I take on the camera, I can then send across onto my phone, and then obviously do all my editing and stuff on my phone still, which will be really, really handy. Yeah, so I don't have to change anything editing-wise at the minute. Eventually, I think once I get a bit more into this, a bit more knowing what I'm doing, probably will get a laptop at some point just to make it a bit helpful with editing, but I've got the hang of sort of what I do on my phone at the minute, so I don't really want to change that up too much. And obviously I'm only just starting out, so yeah. Just another little disclaimer as well, this is not bragging in any way. I know I've only just started out, and obviously lots of people don't really buy cameras and stuff like that until a bit later on, but with the sort of videos that I do, obviously with makeup and stuff, I want the quality to be there. And as good as my phone is, I use the iPhone XR at the moment. Like it's not a bad phone. I just find that sometimes the video quality is not quite as good as I want it to be. And obviously when I'm doing close-up makeup stuff like that, you want the quality to be there really. You want it to look what it looks like. And sometimes I feel like it just isn't quite there with the iPhone camera. So I have done this on a payment plan as well, so I've not just shelled out like £400 straight away either. I have spread this out over 2 years, so, and I know I'm going to get 2 years, like I'm going to get use out of this camera. My boyfriend does car stuff, we go to car shows, like I'll take it with me for that. It won't be solely for YouTube use, because a lot of people will think I'm crazy for just buying a camera for YouTube, but it won't be for that. Like he does drifting, so we'll do drifting videos. I just like memories. I'm a photo person, I am a memory person. I like to have lots of photos and videos and stuff of just life really. I do a lot of family things, obviously not at the moment because of lockdown, but yeah, I think especially with lockdown it's taught me like you need to have memories, you need to keep everything, so this camera will get a lot of use out of it. but like I said, I've done it on a payment plan, so I've not shelled out lots of money straight away. I did it through Currys, which is really, really cool. They do like a sort of credit system, I suppose. Lots of companies do it now. So if you are wanting to get a camera, it wasn't too bad rates a month. And like I said, it's spread over 2 years. You could do it over 3 years as well, or you could do it over 1 year. It depends obviously how much you want to pay monthly. But yeah, I'd highly recommend Currys. And it's arrived a lot earlier than it was supposed to as well, which was amazing. But yeah, can't wait to start using it. So obviously, like I said, again, it's a completely different video to what I started off doing. Makeup is still going to be my thing. I just thought I'd show you guys this in case you are watching my videos and you do see a change in quality. This is why. And I just thought I'd share it with you because I watched a lot of these videos about unboxing, and these content creator kits are really, really good. I think altogether it is like $4.99 for this type of kit if you were to buy it outright. And like I said, like one of these by itself could be quite expensive. Like you could probably get one of these for like £20 without the camera. So to have it all coming together and the memory cards, they can be quite expensive. So just to have it all together at once is really, really great. And like I said, yeah, spreading it out just spreads the cost out, and you're getting everything all at once to start with, and you can start using it straight away, which is amazing. So yeah, I will definitely start using this. I will probably insert a clip somewhere in here, and I'll let you know when I've switched over to obviously filming with the Canon, and hopefully you'll be able to tell the difference, and it will make a difference to my videos, and just make the quality a lot nicer, and just make it nicer to watch and stuff like that, really. But yeah, I just thought I'd share this exciting little thing with you, and hopefully it helps. And if any of you buy this camera or have good cameras or want to get into it, just definitely let me know, comment down below. I will leave the link to this camera set as well down below, just in case you did want to get one, because like I said, it's really, really good value, and the payment plan really does help me, and I'm sure it would help a lot of people as well. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll be back with a makeup video very soon. And remember, uploads now are Wednesday, Friday and Sunday. I think it will be Friday when you're watching this, so stay tuned for Sunday's video. Thank you for watching, bye! So this is what it looks like with the camera. It's so much better. I'm stood in front of the window at the minute so the natural light comes through, but the focusing and everything, I feel like I need to like not look at the... It's really hard not to look at the screen. Oh, it's so cool though. Actually, yes. It does that cool thing where it like obviously focuses on the face and blurs the background, which is really cool. Oh, I'm so excited to film with this.